The thing is, people mostly think, oh, it takes nearly 2 minutes to do it, without realizing that every 2 minutes add to their time and they end up working 10, 12 hours. That is no gain by the end. And they don't want to delegate that, because if I hire somebody, I have to pay money, I have to train somebody, it's going to take me time. I don't even know how long it's going to take me to get there, versus I'll do it myself and move on to the next thing very quickly. But in reality, it's something different. So if you can shed some light on that.
Yeah, what happens is we just keep adding hats, okay? I'll give you an example. I had a client a while back. I had him for a couple years, and he owned a company, smaller company, but he made really good income with what he did. And I was asking him when we first onboarded him, started talking to him. I said, well, tell me a little bit about what you do in your company. His name is Ethan. And he says, well, I do this and this. And he says, I do all the financials. He's the owner of the company. He says, I do all the financials. I said, really? That's interesting. I said, you do payables, receivables, payroll? Yeah, I do all that.